Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on custom printing with Vistaprint, beginner guide step by step clearly. When looking to save on custom printing with Vistaprint, start by determining your printing needs. Identify the specific items you want to print, such as business cards or brochures. Visit the Vistaprint website to explore their wide range of products. Take note of any ongoing promotions or discounts displayed on the homepage. Create an account if you haven't done so already, as this can unlock additional offers. Consider signing up for their email newsletter for further exclusive deals. Utilize Vistaprint's design tools to create your custom print products. Choose from existing templates or upload your own design files for a more personal touch. Make sure your images meet the recommended resolution for optimal printing quality. Review the design options carefully, looking for any features that may add unnecessary costs. Explore different paper types and finishes to find more economical options. Select quantity wisely. Often, ordering in bulk can reduce the cost per item. Check for bundle deals if you need multiple products, as they can offer significant savings. Before finalizing your order, be sure to use any available promo codes that you find online. Double-check your order details to ensure accuracy before proceeding to payment. After completing your purchase, keep an eye on your email for confirmation and shipping details. Finally, assess the final product once it arrives, noting what worked well and what could improve for your next order. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.